Hello everyone. Welcome to this interesting session of logical and reasoning. What is today's topic? So, today's topic is calendar. Usually, clocks and calendars are the most important topics which are being asked in most of the aptitude test. So, let's see what is there in calendars today. We all know what is a leap year, correct? So, thinking up just now, today's year, that is today's date, and today's year, this year, that is 2023. Is it a leap year? So we will think, no, it's not a leap year. But what when we will get such questions during any of the test? Let's quickly see that. So as you can see the calendar in front of you, 2023, and we know it's not a leap year. Why? Because the month of Feb is not having 29 days. Okay. Now, how to find whether it is a leap year or an ordinary year? So whenever you get a number, we have to check with that number whether it is divisible by 4 or not. But let me think. If it is a century year, now what is a century year? Let's see. A year that is a century year that ends with 00. For example, we can say year 100, year 600, 1900, 1500, 1600. These all are the century years. So whenever it is a century year, it's a bit tricky for us to understand whether it is an leap year or not. So if a year is a century year, you have to divide that by 400, and after dividing, if you get the remainder as 0, we can say it's a leap year. But if you're not getting the remainder as 0, that means it's not a leap year, it's an ordinary year. So if a year is not a century year, it's a normal year like 1684. 1782. Okay, so it's not a century, it's not ending with 00. So whenever there's an year which is not ending with 00, you can take the last two digits and quickly check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. If it is divisible, the last two digits are divisible by 4, you can say it's a leap year, or else you can say it's an ordinary year. Correct? So when we divide it, the remainder has to be 0. Let's see some of the examples. So very first, 2015, that is 2015. As we can see, it's not ending with 00. We can take the number 15. 15 divided by 4, the remainder is 3. So we can say it's not a leap year. We want the remainder to be 0. Next, 1900, that's we can say a century year as it is ending with 00. So 19 divided by 400, 00 would be done. Then 19 by 4, again we will get the remainder there. So it is not a leap year. Okay, 1700 if you will divide, the remainder is 1, and 1900 if you will divide, remainder would be 3. So both are not as a leap year. Next, 1644. Again, it's not ending with 00. Let's take only 44. It's very simple. 44 divided by 4 and we'll get the remainder 0. So it is a leap year. So hope you got the concept of what is a leap year, what is not a leap year. We can quickly with the numbers calculate and check with the remainder. Here are the few of the questions which you can try it out to check whether it is a leap year or not. Hope you understood today's session. See you next time with new some calendar questions and some topics. Bye-bye.